friends, just wanted to remind you that the packets that you picked up a couple weeks ago are officially starting today. And the math things are things that we have not really covered together yet. They're problems that you can do. It's addition and subtraction. You guys are like pros at that. And these are not for a grade. They're not for any extra bonus anything. It's just to help you stay fresh with what we're doing during our time apart. And I'm posting these videos not to just give you the answers, but to help you understand what you're doing, or maybe just check your work. So that's why I'm posting these. It's not just here's how to solve this so you don't have to think about it. Try it first and then watch these so you know what to do. Also, just want to say really quickly that if you solve the problem differently than what I'm showing you and we still get the same answer, you're good. Don't worry about it. I'm showing different strategies. There's more, as we've always talked about, there's more than one way to solve a problem. So don't worry if you did it a different way, even if you had a different equation, but you still get the same answer. You're good. Okay. So no, don't stress about that. All right. So the first one, Kira and Jake collect seashell stickers. Kira has 47 seashell stickers. Jake has 20 fewer stickers than Kira. How many seashell stickers does Jake have? Now, this is kind of like the measurement problem that I had for you the other day, and we've done problems like this before in class as well. So Kira, we know Kira has 47 and Jake has 20 fewer. So he doesn't have 20, he just has 20 fewer than Kira. So I'm going to draw a box for Kira, and hers is going to be pretty long. And she has 47. We know exactly how many she has. Jake, he has fewer, so I'm not going to make his box as long. And this empty spot right here, this is 20. He has 20 fewer than Kira. So we're trying to figure out how many Jake has. So if we take the 20 away from the 47, if we take this extra part that Kira has out, we're going to know what Jake has. So I could do tens and ones, 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm taking away 20, so I didn't label that. Sorry, friends. So now we're going to take away the 20 that Jake does not have. So we are left with 27. I didn't get rid of any ones. Now this is, I first should have said this first. This is page 497, the first math page. Franco and Sally collect surfboard stickers. Franco has 55 surfboard stickers. Franco has 30 more stickers than Sally. How many surfboard stickers does Sally have? So we know that Franco has 55, and it tells us Franco has 30 more. So this is the bigger number. Franco is going to have the big box, and we know he has 55 because it tells us he has 55 surfboard stickers. And then it tells us he has 30 more than Sally. So Sally's going to get the little box this time. Now, we don't know how many Sally has, but we know that if we look at the extra that Franco has, he has 30 more. So, just like we did last time, I'm going to say we're going to take away the 30 from the 55 that Franco has to figure out what Sally has, because she does not have that 30. That's the 30 more that Franco has. And again, I think this time I will do the number line. I'm going to do it up here so I have room. I'm going to start with 55 over here because it's a subtraction problem. I need room for it to get smaller. Minus 10, minus 20, minus 30. I took away 10 every time. And that's 45, 35, 25. So Sally has 25 surfboard stickers. Now on the next page, page 498, these are the only two that you're assigned to do today. Franco and Jake are collecting cans for a recycling project. Franco has 33 cans. Jake has 20 fewer cans than Franco. How many cans does Jake have? So in this one, Franco has 33. Jake has 20 fewer. So Franco is going to be the one with the most cans. Sorry. I'm going to give him the big box. He has 33. And Jake has 20 fewer. So this empty space here that Jake doesn't have, 20 fewer. So again, at this point, they're still the same. Jake just doesn't have quite as much. So I'm going to solve it like I did the other ones. Franco has 33. We're going to take away that extra 20 because Jake doesn't have that extra 20. He has 20 fewer. 30 minus 20 is 10. 3 minus 0 is 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. And if I add it back together, I can see if it still makes sense. 13 plus 20 would be 33. So that is my answer for that one. And our last one, the bottom of page 498. Kira and Sally are collecting buttons for an art project. Kira has 58 buttons. She has 40 more buttons than Sally. How many buttons does Sally have? So Kira has 58, and Sally, is the one who has 40 more. So Kira, Sally. Kira's going to get the bigger one because she has 58, which is 40 more than whatever Sally has. Kira has 58 total. We don't know what Sally has. That's what we're trying to figure out. But we know that the difference between them is 40. Kira has a lot more than Sally. So I'm going to start this one with the 40 and see how many more we would need to get to 58. Well, 40 plus 10 is 50. Oh, we're already close. And from 50 to get to 58, I would need 8 more. So I had to add a 10 and an 8. When I put those together, that is 18. So Sally only has 18 buttons, which is 40 fewer than Kira's 58.